Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called lumens, Xlm. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. Finding might trigger cross-chain protocol Thorchain went live with synthetic assets trading on its platform earlier on 10 March. This caused the price of its native token Rune to jump as discussed above. Notably, crypto synthetics, or synths, are derivative tokens of other digital assets, pegged to the value of the underlying collateralized assets such as Bitcoin or Ether. Using Rune as an intermediary allowed for the trading of assets from one network to be traded for another in a decentralized manner without using smart contract-based bridges. Interestingly, synthetics such as synthetic BTC, SBTC, and synthetic ETH are traded on the network. In a blog post, the team highlighted a few advantages of this development. It noted, synths have great utility for traders and arbitrageurs, as they can be transacted nearly instantly, and at a fraction of the cost, compared to native one-layer swaps. Well, in the future, it would allow Thorchains to earn yield with synths, thanks to vaults. And, it would also provide other exciting Thorfy utilities. Core developer Chad Bareford reiterated the importance of freshly launched synths via Twitter. For users, while also allowing it to adapt and respond to the competitive blockchain landscape. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. The project's native token, Xlm, is used as a bridge currency between two fiat currencies when sending money abroad. Xlm is trading at $0.192945 at time of writing, down 2.37% in the past 24 hours. Tomer Weller, the vice president of tech strategy at Stellar, outlines the rough timeline for smart contract implementation in a new tweet. We're aiming for a feature-complete test network by the end of 2022. Ultimately, the ecosystem will decide if and when to turn on smart contracts on Stellar. In October, the SDF announced a new partnership with the payments giant MoneyGram to use the Stellar blockchain to facilitate cross-border payments. MoneyGram had previously entered into a partnership with Ripple, a Stellar competitor, in June 2019 for foreign exchange settlements and cross-border payments. However, the payments giant suspended its use of XRP payments this past February in the wake of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) lawsuit against Ripple. Sign that selling pressure had been higher in recent days. The awesome oscillator did not show momentum favoring either side. And second news today from an $8 million exploit to becoming third largest DeFi project, here's the story of. Thorchain works a lot like other automated market makers, AMS, such as Uniswap. But with an important difference. It enables trades of real cryptocurrencies from completely different blockchains, not Raptor synthetic versions. However, its native token Rune tumbled in markets after the blockchain suffered an exploit for the second time in 2 weeks in July 2021. I've come a long way according to Misari. Thorchain is now the third largest project in DeFi, after Uniswap and Maker. It even went ahead of well-known projects like Aave and PancakeSwap. Thorchain core developer Chad Bareford tweeted this development. Following this, the price of Rune spiked by 34% in a day. Its value increased by 21% over the past 24 hours, to rest at $5.27. Although, at press time, the price had settled under the $5 mark with a 3% hike in 24 hours, having a focus on promoting diversity and inclusion by carrying out the necessary research on areas that would drive the ecosystem towards achieving a more equitable financial system and Stellar's network effect. To summarize it all, Stellar's roadmap is aimed at making Stellar the network for inclusion and interoperability between traditional and modern financial rails. Fundamental analysis. The Stellar Lumens project is currently in partnership with 20 notable companies, most of which have experienced bottlenecks from transaction delays around cross-border remittances in the past. By leveraging Stellar's built-in compliance features among others, the Stellar network offers an all-inclusive access to a global financial infrastructure. Follow this link below for details of companies in partnership with or running on the Stellar network. Abu Dhabi-based Matrix goes live with more virtual assets approved by ADGM. Matrix, the global multilateral virtual asset trading platform, lists 2 new assets, XRP and Xlm. The listings come as part of Matrix's bid to bring a wider array of options to traders and investors around the world. Abu Dhabi Global Market, ADGM, the leading global jurisdiction for virtual assets, approved these assets for listing on Matrix's regulated platform. ADGM is an award-winning financial center and an international financial free zone, with governing from the Registration Authority, RA, the Financial Services Regulatory Authority, FSRA, and ADGM courts. ADGM advocates for a fair and transparent. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar, XLM, a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. Xlm Rate Prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price, 26 cents level. Xlm Rate Prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Xlm Rate Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. Xlm Rate Prediction 2028. The value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. XLM is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.86 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that the future of Stellar will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of XLM will be between $2.24 and $2.31 expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of XLM ranges from $2.24 to $2.86 for 2028.